Our little Jeep project today. We're putting Recon One in Cooter's garage. We got to pull out the growler. It's got no motor right now. Mike's having work being done on it, so we're gonna pull that back, make enough room for me to swing around and get in there for my Jeep. Yeah, so Colin's getting the fork truck ready because we're gonna flex test this. We're gonna lift up this front passenger tire, and what I really wanna do is watch the track bar. We'll get a flashlight, we'll get in there and see how close it is to the sector shaft, to the new piece that we installed in there, so we'll see. All right, looking at it right now, it looks like, looking at it this way, it looks like there's a 1/4 of an inch. But all right, go ahead. Whoop, whoop, hold it. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Yep. It's not hitting yet. 1/8 of an inch. Okay. I mean, are we pretty maxed out?
No, I can go more.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, it's just a tire hit.
All right, let me get the camera on there. Yeah, I still got 1/8 of an inch, so it doesn't, you know, you would think it would kind of rotate up, but I think because that end's going up, it doesn't really seem to affect it.
Yeah.
Keep going. More? I still see about a 1/16, a good strong 1/16 of an inch gap right there.
Okay.
I mean, we're up in that fender well really good now.
You still got a few inches, but I don't know how much clear I have on the driver's side.
Okay, go ahead.
More?
Yep. Yeah, it keeps its distance.
Yeah.
I mean, right there, it's... I want you to come check it out, see what you think. Okay, I guess Steer Smarts knows what they're doing because even at a good strong flex, I have 1/8 of an inch. So, and that's lifting up the passenger side, putting it in the fender, putting it in the wheel well really good. So, geez, I'm happy with that. That's great. So I had my doubts with this thing when I saw how close that tolerance was. Big Tim noticed it too on the video, but flexing it out, she's good. She's good. Okay, Bligo, I got the transfer case. Okay. Is in neutral, so Mike's just gonna hold that drive shaft so I can loosen up these bolts. What Jeep uses, this is a stock drive shaft and it's very dented. So Jeep uses these small 8mm head bolts, 8 of them, with these little washers. They use the same type of setup coming out of the transfer case too. Okay, the dented drive shaft is out. Okay, some anti-seize on it. They're gunned down, I don't know, 20, 25 foot-pounds. Mike says that gun does. So there we go. Thank you, Tim. Jeepers helping Jeepers. Dan's got destroyed. I had a spare, which came from Mike, which came from Adam. so that went into Dan's, and then I realized mine was dented to shit, and the flange was all messed up, so Big Tim had one, and so here we go. It's a lot better than dropping $780 on an Adams. And then we don't have to screw around with changing the this pinion and dealing with that inch-pound of rotations and all of that shit on the crush sleeve. So I'm good with this. These stock rear drive shafts, actually, I've had pretty good luck with them, so no problem. For now, this is fine. Okay, here we go. Replacement drive shaft, all squared away. Then while it was on the lift, we took the time. This boot had got knocked off the front of the Adams drive shaft, so we put that back on. We greased the slip joint right there. And then in the front of the Jeep, we took care of the tie rod ends, the drag link at the pitman arm, tie rod end. All right, great day at Cooter's Garage. Recon One's coming off the lift. Not bad, just always good to give the Jeep a once over, check things out. Yeah, really happy with that, man. Woo. I'm sorry, what? Yes, yeah, they all been torqued to 110, yeah. I personally did it. Wow, awesome. I'm at Cooter's Garage here. We just worked on the mighty JK Recon One, and Mike was showing me something. Go ahead, Mike.
It's so cute. It's a Ford Bronco rear drive shaft, U-joint.
So that's a Ford Bronco rear drive shaft U-joint. Looks to be about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Wow, Ford, tinker toy. All right, all the jobs are done. I'm gonna pull it around to the front. We're gonna run my winch cable through Mike's front garage door, and then we're gonna winch the growler back into the garage. Okay, so we have hydraulic steering problems, so they won't be able to turn the wheel. They'll have to. All right, here we go, guys. Oh yeah, no problem. Keep tension on it. There you go. Good. Cooter's new pickup truck that he bought from Uncle Humie. We're going to take that. We're going to go to AA Transmission. Going to meet Tony, and obviously Recon 2, my new purchase, my new Jeep, will be heading to AA Transmission Specialist in Canton, Connecticut.
So I know Tony's fixed, well, he fixed Ariana's car.
All right, I'm at AA Transmission in Canton, and here we go. This is the type of work that Tony does. He totally rebuilt this. He dips it. It gets all looking like it's brand new, and then he paints it and he reinstalls it. So this is where Recon 2 is coming, right here to Tony.
What do you want to do?
There it is, right there. All right, there's the owner. That's where my second Jeep is coming, right here. All right, outstanding. Thank you. Okay, here I am at AA Transmission. Yeah, I met Tony, badass guy, a real specialist. So my new JK is going to be coming here, and it'll get on the list. So pretty excited about it. All right.